Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Canva to Google Drive. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the Canva website. Log into your Canva account using your email and password. Once you're logged in, locate the Projects panel on the left side of the screen. Click on the Projects tab to access your existing designs. Next, find the Folders section in the Projects panel. Click on Folders to create a new folder or access an existing one. Now, open Google Drive in a new tab by visiting drive.google.com. Log into your Google Drive account if you're not already signed in. Once in Google Drive, locate the folder where you want your Canva files to be saved. Open that folder to keep it accessible. Return to your Canva tab. Choose the design you want to connect to Google Drive from your projects. With the design open, click on the Share button in the top right corner. In the sharing options, look for the Link section. Select the Copy Link option to copy the design's link. Navigate back to your Google Drive tab. In the Google Drive folder you opened earlier, right-click on an empty space. Select New and then choose Google Docs from the drop-down menu. Once the Google Doc opens, paste the copied Canva link into the document. Give the document a relevant name, such as Canva Designs. You can also add any notes or descriptions within the Google Doc if desired. Now, return to Canva to ensure your design is saved properly. To confirm, click on the Home button in the top left corner of Canva. You should see a list of your designs, including the one you just linked. Now, you've successfully connected Canva to Google Drive. This allows for easy access to your Canva designs from within Google Drive. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.